Tourvest is an integrated tourism company that operates in Southern Africa. We operate in different spaces within the tourism industry. Included is the tourism management sector, destination management. We have hotels and lodges. So we also manage those hotels and lodges. We have crafts and curious shops. We also deal with adventures that operate predominantly in Victoria Falls, and we employ about 5,000 employees. We are a very unique company in that we have about 10 divisions, and we operate in about 120 entities that are across Africa, Europe, and Asia. So they are on different ERPs. OneStream enables us to report in different regions of the world with different exchange rates. We're able to see our results real time as and when our finance department are required to report. So that was the reason why we changed from what we had previously to now. I think Futuresense understood our mandate. They understood us as a business and how diverse we are as a business. They also brought us a very dynamic team that also understood what was needed. We worked really well with them. So the main implementation was consolidation. That's the main function that we needed to get out of OneStream. With that, we were able to pull management accounts. We also were able to report our financial statements from the account. So the biggest challenge with this project was that we had a mandate to implement or to go live 8 months from the start of the project. So we had a very limited time to build on the platform, to load historic data, and to map all of our 120 entities onto OneStream. So I think we just had a lot of data to input on the system. Mapping was the biggest challenge. We took a long time to get that done. At some point, it didn't work well because we just had a lot of TBs to map onto our system. I think that was our biggest challenge. Futuresense helped a lot, and I think that's where they really came through for us. Because we had a timeline of go live, we had to make sure that that was done at a specific time. And because we had so much, it meant we needed to pull in lots of overtime. We worked day and night. It took time, and they gave us their time. Yeah, we've seen a big difference. We previously would normally get our reports completed by the 20th business day, and now we've pushed back to 10 days. I mean, it's by the touch of the button, honestly. It requires the divisions to load their data, and once that's done, we have access to everything. We just need to make sure that we create reports that give us what we want, but the data is all there. So definitely with our financial reports, they've improved a lot. Just how they look and feel, as well as how true the data is, because we know that the data is coming straight from the source. So even when the auditors were doing their audit, they put reliance on the system. So anything that we pull from the system, it's not like in Excel, where we prepare reports in Excel for them. With this platform, we know that we're getting the information from the source. So if we want to pull a recon, it's coming straight from the source, and it made their audit easier as well. They placed reliance on a lot of the reports that we gave them. So I can say that doing a project like this, especially with the short dead timelines that we had, you need a team like Futuresense. I think they came to the party. They made sure that they came through with what we needed them to do. They gave us a good support. We had very short, and they also understood what we needed to get out of the system. They gave themselves time to understand the type of platform that they need to build for us. We spend a lot of time making sure that we build the right platform for what we want to achieve. We set a good ground based on what we needed to get out of the system. OneStream, like I said, it just makes it so much easier for us to report in an environment like Tourvest. The businesses here are very different. We operate on different ERPs. We are a business where we cannot be put onto a same platform of ERP, which for other companies, it just makes it easier for the reporting. For us, it's quite difficult. And based on that, OneStream was the perfect platform.